Hello guys! In today's tutorial I will show you how to change wallpaper on your MacBook M1 or M2. Let's go! First go to System Settings. Then find the Wallpaper section. Here you can choose some of the default Apple wallpapers that are perfect. Just click on the one you like and it will apply. Each default background has 3 modes. Choose which you like. My advice is dynamic. Here you can add picture from your computer, but now I will show you a much easier way. Go to Finder, find the image you want. Right-click on it. Now just go to Set Desktop Picture and that's it. I hope it helped you. Please subscribe for more tutorials.